How to change language on Samsung TV. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the language on Samsung TV with the latest update. Whether you want to switch to a different language or set it to your preferred one, we've got you covered, so let's get started. First, turn on your Samsung TV and press the home button on your remote. This will open the main menu. Now simply scroll and find the settings option and select it to open your TV's settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down and select general. This is where you'll find various system settings for your TV. Now under general, simply go to system manager. Here you can find an option that says language. Select it to proceed. Here you'll see a list of available languages. Select your preferred language from the list. You can choose a language for your menu, subtitles and audio preferences as well. Once you select your language, it will be applied immediately and your TV interface will update to that language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on your Samsung TV.